Hey everyone, this is Stephy Hogan with CreativePro, and today I want to show you how to make some kind of neat text effects on live text in PowerPoint using the native tools in PowerPoint. So here we have neon text and it's completely editable on here. So how do we get there? To make it happen on the text, pick something a little thicker. Whippy ones, thin whippy shapes with little thin serifs aren't going to work quite as well, but you know what? You do you. With this text box selected, right click on it and then choose Format Shape. All right, now that's important once you get over here. When you have Format Shape open, it defaults to shape options and not text options. Make sure you choose text options or you're going to be doing all of this to the text box itself. First things first is we don't want any fill on this because it's a neon tube, it's an outline, right? So let's get rid of the fill completely. And if you don't have a line already, the text outline on down here, let's go solid line. And this is going to be the centermost color of the neon tube, which means it's the lightest one, right? So for the line color, I'm going to choose, this would be my neon color right here. I'm going to go up to two shades lighter. We'll choose that one for the actual text outline right here. Not much else to do here except for choosing the width of the line. Let's go for like 2 points right now. So this is what we have so far. And the next thing we're going to do is mess around with the text effects. We're going to use two effects here to make this really look neon. The first one is we're actually going to apply a shadow. Instead of having a black shadow or a dark shadow, this is going to be a bright shadow. We can go back down to this teal, this color that we actually wanted it to be in the first place. So this is our main neon color. Our shadow will be that. Now, to get it to line up with this text more and look more tube-like instead of just a random shadow, let's come down here to our options. And transparency stays at 0%. Distance, we want that to be 0. Our blur, we want that to be 4 is fine, maybe 3 a little bit better, but we really don't see very much. So let's bump our size up to 101. So that gives a little more glow. And again, experiment with this and figure out settings that work for you. Next is we're going to play with the glow. We're going to choose the same blue again for our glow, and oh my god, that's just a bit much. So let's bring the size down to about 3 or 4, maybe 4 is nice. Let's go to 3 for now. And our transparency, we're going to bump this up to, I really hate these, there we go. Bump it up to where you think it just fits really well. I'm a person who likes like around 60%. 60, I know that came out weird, 60%. And there you go. Editable neon text in PowerPoint using a few simple tools.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.